Hello, I'm professional attorney and very much amateur musician Scott Lesowitz, and I got a couple of pieces of good news here. One is that my video that features clips of Whitney Houston's performance at the Super Bowl is now public, and the other is that YouTube customer support even admitted to me in an email that I was correct, that videos are supposed to go public within 48 hours of lodging a dispute, assuming the copyright owner has not responded to the content ID dispute. The bad news is that it took 11 days to get my video public, not 2 days. And even now, it's completely demonetized and will be permanently demonetized for the first 30 days, it appears. And that's a big deal because as of the filming of this video, my Whitney Houston video has 21 views. So how do I explain to my wife why we're not getting that 6 cents of advertisement income in? So to recap my prior video on this, and I'll put chapter headings so that those who want to can skip ahead, Phil from Wings of Pegasus put out a video where he analyzed Whitney Houston's national anthem Super Bowl performance and showed how she was lip syncing. But when he went to upload the video, in order for it not to be blocked by the content ID system, he had to cut out almost all of the video and audio from Whitney Houston's performance, which made Phil's video pretty much useless, because how do you analyze and show how someone's lip syncing if you're not allowed to play the audio or the video? So I figure I'm gonna make essentially the same video Phil did. I'm gonna upload it and I will fight it. I'll fight. It's obviously fair use. It should not be blocked. And you know what? It gives me an opportunity to be an annoying pain in the rear, although maybe I am that generally, I don't know. So I went ahead, uploaded my video on July 29th, and it was immediately blocked. I quickly put in a dispute, but it turned out that my video did not go public after the 48 hours, and the YouTube support was under the impression that the video is blocked the entire 30 days. Okay, so that's where my previous video left off. Now, on August 9th, the person I was dealing with from YouTube customer support wrote to me informing me that my video went public, and in a follow-up email after I asked a question about it, the person confirmed that I was correct. So this is what the person wrote. To answer your question, yes, you are correct. Based on the information here, videos with a copyright claim that has been disputed should go on live 48 hours after disputing. Rest assured that if 30 days have passed and the claimant has not responded, the claim will expire. So hopefully, at least for the people I dealt with in customer service, who by the way were very friendly, hopefully when they deal with the situation again in the future, they'll be better informed and make sure that person's video gets uploaded immediately after the 48 hours. Now, the question still remains, why did my video not automatically go public after 48 hours? I'd love to think that this might lead to a greater, solving of the problem at YouTube, but ironically from a Google search, it appears that to me that this problem was not, this wasn't the first time this happened where people had to contact customer support in order to get their video public after the 48 hours ended. Okay, so it took too long to get my video to go public and took me way too much aggravation, but all right, great, the video is up, right? Well, there's another problem, and that is that the video is still showing as ineligible for monetization, and not only that, ads are not running. So there's not even like ad money that could come in that later could be passed on to me. And my understanding was when you dispute a content ID claim that ads do run, YouTube holds the creator's share of the money aside and then pays it out after the dispute ends. So I contacted customer support about this, and it turns out, and I just cannot really understand the reasoning here, that that system of escrow only applies if the copyright owner sets the content ID system to take away the ad revenue from the creator, but it does not apply if the copyright owner has set the content ID system to block any videos using copyrighted material. So there you go. This all to me shows that while I fought back, I feel like, especially since Sony is apparently just ignoring my dispute and is just going to let the 30 days pass. So it seems like really what this turned into was not so much a fight against Sony, but haggling with YouTube customer support. And it shows that really for the content creators on YouTube, how much the system really sucks for them if the content ID system is blocking their video that is clearly fair use, like here. I'd like to put up another fight again in a righteous situation. With that, that's the end of this episode, I believe. And thank you for watching, and take care.